Heyo, welcome back. It's me. Well, I don't have makeup planned for today, but I am bored in this quarantine. So, I decided to, well, take a chance and do fake freckles with some fake tan that I got in a BoxyCharm. I tested it on my wrist. It's kind of orange. It's not as dark as the freckles on my shoulders, but this is also the natural looking tan. It's not the dark one because, well, I got this in a BoxyCharm, and we're gonna put fake freckles on my face because I want freckles, and it's a nice day outside, and I'm just bored. Honestly, I'm just bored. So this is this is what we're gonna do. But keeping intros short per usual, let's just get right on in it. Alright, so we have this little natural looking tan. It's a mousse. I have seen people do different things using like a little stipple brush and like splatter painting it on their face, which I might do. I've seen people do like the little brushes or like the bobby pins, and I also saw a video of someone using one of these sponges. So I think what I'm gonna do is do the splatter paint effect, kind of just dip your brush in it and hit it on your face, and then use the brush to add some bigger ones. Oh, also, my mom and my brother are home, so if you hear them talking in the background, most likely it's because I don't know how to edit it out. Just saying. I'm new at this, and I'm not very good at this. But let's just... Oh no! No! Don't shake it with the top off. Do you even shake this? Alright, we're just gonna get into it. So, it says when you do it, you leave it on for like 4 to 8 hours, and then you wipe it off, and then they'll like do the thingy like basically like overnight probably. It's Alexa, what's the time?
It's 11:28 a.m.
Okay, so it's like 11:30. I'm just gonna put this stuff on. I have my Alfie packaging, which is what I'm gonna put it on. You know what, we're just gonna... So we got our mousse. One of the ladies waited until a lot of those bubbles went down, till it got a little bit more liquidy. So we're just gonna do that. Alright, we're just not gonna wait for this. I took my nose ring out. My face is exfoliated and moisturized. I think that's what you're supposed to do. I've never self-tanned. I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm honestly just bored. And I see everybody else is like cutting some bangs and coloring their hair. And I'm not about to do that to myself, because even being a cosmetologist, somehow I'd find something to mess up. I could do things on other people, but sometimes I just can't do them on myself. But we're gonna take this little stipple brush and do the splatter paint effect. So we're dipping. How do I feel like I don't have an... we'll see what the splatter does. We ready? This is gonna look so bad. Screw it. It's not even splattering on my face. We'll get more! That should splatter. You know, I should have done this to a shirt I don't like. I guess I'm only having a few. Wow, I'm using a lot more of this than I thought I would. I'm gonna take this little brush. Well, it's a little liquidy now, so I'm gonna go back to the splatter thing. You know, I wasn't planning on doing like an entire face of this, but I guess I did. I don't know if you can hear, but my mom and my brother are working out. They invited me, and I was like, I'm recording. Freckles. I like this one, and this one, and this one. I'm gonna put like some little ones through here so they're not just big ones. Well, these are gonna be my freckles. So basically, I'll check in like 4 to 8 hours. Check in for like 4 to 8 hours. Or when I forget, whenever I remember again, wipe them off, and then I'll fill you in the morning. But other than that, this is my freckled face, which for some reason looks so normal to me because I have like an obsession with freckles. So I hope these literally just look like this on my face. So I might like wait like 8 hours so they're potent. Thanks. Well, I'll see you later. Alrighty. I'm Mac. It's been a while. Alexa, what time is it?
It's 8:10 p.m.
It's after 8 o'clock. It's been a handful of time. I have added views here and there throughout the day. I've enjoyed them. I have taken multiple pictures with these freckles because I find them so cute. I love them so much. I'm so tired and it's only 8 o'clock. I have this little Dixie cup of water. I'm gonna dip a little towel in it and just wipe off my face and neck because I put a few here. So we're gonna do that and we'll see how they look. And then I'll check back in the morning and we can see how these actually look. So yeah. Honestly, I waited the entire time. I was debating on if I even wanted to wipe them off because I'm obsessed with them and I want them to be super potent. So they're all wiped out. You can still really tell they're there. They're very natural in the skin. It's cool. And I'll check back tomorrow. Because wow, my face actually does look really freckly. I like them. I don't know if they do process overnight and get darker. I've never self-tanned, but I really like these, so I might actually buy a dark version of this and do this actually more frequently because I rather enjoyed taking pictures in the sun with freckles because it was super cute. But yeah, I'll check back in tomorrow morning and we can see what they look like then. I'll see you later. Hey, so I'm back with an update. This is like, I think it's like 2 days later and a shower. The freckles are a very natural color. You can barely see them. You can see them just a little bit on my nose still. I enjoyed them. I love freckles. They're the cutest thing in the world to me. I would totally do this again, but instead of using like a natural looking tan color, try to do like get something that's darker so you could really see a difference between the freckles and me. I did leave it on for like 8 hours. The test on my wrist is still here, but you can ever so lightly see it on me, which is kind of a bummer. I was really enjoying those freckles. I posted a pic on my personal Instagram with like the full face of freckles. You can barely see them on me. I'd love to do this again. I'd love to have a face full of freckles for the rest of my life. So you might see me do this again. So I think because I don't want to buy it on Amazon, because I've looked at stuff and like Amazon's got like $6 delivery. So when quarantine is over, I might try to see if I can find some of this at a store so I don't have to pay for shipping and handling. But you might see me do that again because I enjoyed my day of full face of freckles. But I hope everyone is staying safe. I hope I could bring a little bit of fun and joy to everybody with this. Yeah, I enjoyed having a face of freckles. If you have freckles, I'm jealous because they're adorable and you should love them too. Yeah, that's basically it. A few days later, they're kind of gone. Kind of sad. Might do them again. I hope everyone enjoys the rest of their day, and I'll see you soon. Bye!